What if I told you that you could land a $5,000 web design contract from local dentist and fulfill the entire project in less than 10 minutes? If you're a freelancer web developer, you are probably making the biggest mistake in the industry right now, coding every single client website completely from scratch. You're wasting weeks on layout, routing, and basic CSS. So today I'm going to show you the ultimate cheat code. That this is SmileFlow. It's a premium Next.js 16 template built specifically for dental practices, and I'm going to show you how you can use this exact template to build massive design agency without starting from a blank VS Code file ever again. See this is the complete template website, and this is completely responsive, and you can see, okay, and this is very fast, and SEO of this website is also good. You can see this in the SEO tags here, and let's just remove it and see. uh, these all are premium animations, and see this button, and you can also see this transaction from these to this is all images are AI generated and free to use. You can keep it same, or if doctor want to change you can also change this. These things doctor wants, and see this premium animation around the doctor, and what our patient says, everything is not AI generated. They are the components made by humans, so it looks premium and design is good. You can see this things, and the FAQs here, everything is good. And see this premium animation, this subtle micro animation. You can see when I going to left it's going to right, when I'm going to right it's going to left. And see the button, everything is good. You can purchase this thing and see the other pages also. See the services pages, this is one of the most premium page that I know, and you can also edit these pages. All are created by human, not an AI slope. And see this button animation, it's good. So for getting this you just have to go to this link, and this is the $56 script, and all the documentation is given here, and it is trusted. You can see this link will be given in description, or you can just see it here. Thanks for watching video, and you can save this so much time by using this template.